Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to block viewers from clipping your content on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now in the left sidebar, click on Settings. Click on Channel. Go to Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down to Clips section. Uncheck the box beside the text Allow viewers to clip my content. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, settings is saved. This is how you can block viewers from clipping your content on YouTube. Thank you for watching.